Hi, my name is Harim, and the topic today is how colors affect our mood. So, I want you to think of the last time that you felt blue suddenly or without an exact reason. Consider your walls or the environment that was surrounding you in that moment. What color were your walls or the environment? Now imagine that you're in a place full of bright colors, like yellow, sky blue, and white, orange, pink. How do you feel? With this in mind, we can know the way colors can have a significant impact in our behavior and in our mood. Moreover, depending on the tone of the color, the way we feel can change. Different studies and research prove that depending on the color, your mood can change. There is even a study in, in psychology, it's a branch, about this topic that is called behavioral psychology, in which is studied color psychology. So, according to psychology research, colors can have a great influence in the way we behave, feel, and even how we think. So, let's move on to the main ideas about this topic. For one thing, colors affect our behaviors and feelings. And this is because color psychology evidences the impact a wide variety of colors have in our mood. For example, one study in 2020 found that people commonly associate certain colors to specific emotions. This is what happened with angriness, that is associated to red. Also, there is another study in 2020 that suggested that colors in therapy are an effective way to help combat ailments. This is still being studied, but it's been proven. For example, it's used the colors for the treatment of anxiety or depression. Also, the tone of the colors impact people in a variety of surprising ways. And that's when we talk about the tone of colors: warm colors, cool colors, and neutral colors. Warm colors are the ones which are associated to joy, playfulness, excitement, happiness, and positive energy. Cool colors are the ones which are associated to calmness, tranquility, and even cooler temperature. And neutral colors that can evoke feelings of calm, balance, and sophistication. And also colors and can influence on us depending on the cultural association. The influence of colors in our life is based on experiences and symbolisms. For example, that's when we associate colors to memories, either from our childhood or a very important event in our life. Like our mom's bedroom that it used to be pink, and then some years later we see the color pink, we will remember of our mother. Also, we tend to think of some color as something like that's it is not allowed at all, like happened with some companies, like having in Peru with Entel and Claro, where Entel is representative color is blue and Claro is representative color is red. So imagine that the personnel of Entel use that colors that will not be well seen in like as for all the people and also for the staff. And also, depending on the part of the word, the colors can change in meaning. This is what happened in some cultures, where red symbolizes luck, celebration, and love. And in another part of the world, Ireland specifically, green is considered a national color and is associated to luck. With this in mind, let's move on to the third point, where is how colors are used for marketing purposes. And this is what happened with some fast food companies that use red and yellow with specific colors to attract more clients, like McDonald's, Burger King, In-N-Out. They use these colors to show themselves more friendly. And also Facebook and Coca-Cola use it to reinforce their identity as brands. Facebook is for blue and Coca-Cola is for red. And also colors are used to influence people to buy specific products. And this is for cosmetics that is purple, the color representative of cosmetics. We also have black for expensive brands like Gucci, which is a color of mystery and sophistication. That's the reason some expensive brands use black. Overall, colors are really something very meaningful in our lives. They can influence in our perspective depending on the culture and our mood and depending on life experiences. They are also used by companies to attract more customers or to make their branding more noticeable, since color have a visual impact on everyone. Color psychology is still being studied in order to know more ways that colors can be significant in people's lives. We are all surrounded by things that include a wide variety of colors. It could be buildings, markets, stores, advertising, cards, etc. Each of them can directly affect how we feel, how we behave, and also how we think.